Right guys, so this morning we've got a Mercedes A-Class 2017 plate and we've got a problem with the sunroof. So we've got a replacement which we're going to fit. This one I got off eBay. Apparently all we need to do is lift the sunroof up, 2 bolts there, 2 bolts on the side, and then it just slides out. So let's go for it. Magic. So hopefully we can get in there and open those 2 bolts there, and then 2 bolts the other side. You can see in there. Push that down. Bolts in there. 2 bolts in there. Okay, so now these screws are out. This should just go backwards. Look at that. It's so easy. Okay, so that's the glass off, but you can see this here is come off and it's all twisted, so we get all this glass out and then the other side as well. Okay, so that's the replacement on. It's in the runners, so all we need to do now is put those 4 bolts back in again and that should be good to go. Right, let's just see whether this will. That was pretty good to me.